Constitutional Court is confused. Is it D for Dacha or D for democracy? The Constitutional Court is captured by demons. Is it D for Dacha or D for danger? The Constitutional Court is captured by Lucifer. Is it D for Dacha or D for disaster? Is it D for Dacha or D for darkness and delusion? Is it D for Dacha or D for degeneration or desperation? Is it D for Dacha or D for devil and dishonesty? Is it D for Dacha or D for disobedience to God? Is it D for Dacha or D for dizzy judges? We are a nation in danger. We are a nation in denial. What a shame, South Africa, what a shame. South Africa has become a carbon copy of foreign cultures. South Africa is addicted to foreign influences. South Africa is allergic to originality. South Africa is allergic to innovation. South Africa has become a colony of Sodom and Gomorrah. South African democracy, a democracy of contradictions, a democracy without economic power, a democracy without mineral resources, a political office without controlling the economy, a democracy captured by white monopoly capital, a democracy anti-God, a democracy under siege, a democracy captured by imperialism and capitalism, a democracy captured by cultural imperialism and neo-colonialism, a democracy captured by the West and the East alike, a democracy of bucket system, a democracy of dire poverty in the land of plenty, a democracy of mud schools, black school children learn under the trees. Immorality is romanticized. Stephen Bantu Biko Mapetla Moapi did not die for ganja. Robert Sobek was not poisoned for ganja. Chris Hani was not assassinated for ganja. Hector Peterson did not die for ganja. Comrades killed in detention did not die for ganja. Andres Tatane was not killed for ganja. The Marikana mine workers were not massacred for ganja. We're not massacred for ganja. What a shame, South Africa. What a shame. Your priority is prostitution and ganja, dacha, to say the least. I don't remember during the liberation struggle, ganja agenda, dacha agenda. Freedom fighters fought and died for the land, not marijuana. South Africa, my beloved land. Behold and be vigilant. Sugar and salt have the same color. Behold the iron fist inside the velvet glove. Love what God loves. Hate what God hates. Love